Now that you have set up your NursingCAS account, it should populate your application. You'll see here there are 4 main areas of the application: personal information, academic history, supporting information, and program materials. As you're working through each section of the application, you'll see a progress bar, as shown in each section. You want to make sure that the progress bar is 100% complete in each section before you submit your application. So for instance, the personal information section does have 7 of the 7 sections completed, which means that it is 100% complete. As for the academic history section, there is only 3 of the 4 sections completed, which means this is still incomplete. And so I'm going to go ahead and open up the personal information section for you. You can see that these were completed by viewing the check mark on the right-hand side shown here. If you're just starting your application, you will not have any check marks fulfilled here, and you will start by filling out each subsection to complete the personal information tab. So I'll go ahead and just open up the release statement for you. You would start here and read through, check wherever you need to check, answer yes or no, and save and continue. And then it'll take you to the next section, which is the biographic information.